Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the simple steps to set your caption text size to very small in Google Chrome on your phone. This is especially helpful if you prefer subtitles that don't take up too much screen space while you're watching videos. Let's get started. First, open up the Google Chrome app on your phone. Make sure you're on the home screen of the browser so the menu is easy to find. Next, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the 3 vertical dots, also known as the menu button. Go ahead and tap on that. From the list of options that appear, scroll down until you find Settings. Tap on it to open up all the different customization features Chrome has to offer. Now keep scrolling down until you see a section labeled Accessibility. This is where you'll find the tools to adjust how Chrome looks and feels for your browsing experience. Tap on Accessibility to continue. Inside this menu, you'll see an option called Captions. Select it. This is where you can control how subtitles appear when you're watching videos or viewing content that uses captions. Once you're inside the caption settings, tap on Caption Size and Style. This is the key step where you can make changes to the way text looks on your screen. Now, tap on Text Size. You'll see several options that range from very small, default, large, and extra large. Since we want the captions to be as minimal as possible, choose Very Small. That's it. You've just adjusted your caption size in Google Chrome so that subtitles will now appear in a smaller, less intrusive style on your screen. This setting is perfect if you want to keep captions visible without them taking too much attention away from the video itself. It's also a good option on smaller screens where space matters. So now you know how to quickly change your caption text size to very small. Thanks for watching.